Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the camshaft position sensor, fuses and relays are located, guys, we'll explain where you can find them. For any of you that want to see how to test camshaft position sensor, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. And if you need to buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the camshaft position sensor, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Explorer right here. What do we guys need to do now? We will be working two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to check just one fuse, and the other one we need to check multiple. We need to open the driver door, carry the footwell compartment. This is the parking brake paddle. Look up in the dash upside down. On the left side you will see a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, what we need to check now. Okay, one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check few more actually, by the way. So if you come in that row of fuses, that's fuse number 18. That's the one that you need to check. Then you need to go ahead and open the hood, and then on the driver's side, that's the car battery. Next to it you have the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly okay, which fuses we need to check. Multiple fuses. First we have fuse 67, 68, 69. All these three are engine management fuses. You need to check them, they're very important. Check fuse 86 right here, fuse 90 right here, and relay 66. All these things will, guys, need to be checked. So, guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.